Hello student, this is Samita Patola from Jharkhand Public School, Noida. Today I have brought a quiz for you. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start a quiz with me. This is your first question. What kind of a plant is this? There is a picture. Look at the picture carefully and think about your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box. Your time starts now. If you write herbs, then you are right. Herbs are very small plants with thin, green and soft stems. They have a very short life and die after bearing flowers. They live only for 3 to 4 months. Here is a question number 2. Look at the picture carefully and identify what is this. You have to fill the blank. A thick, brown and woody stem called. Your time starts now. If your answer is trunk, then you are right. Very big, tall and strong plants are called trees. They have a thick, brown and woody stem called trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Trees have thick and strong roots to hold them firmly to the ground. They live for many years. Here is the question number 3. Which plant is this? I hope you easily identify this plant because many of you have seen around you. So your time starts now. You can write your answer in the comment box. If your answer is rose, then you are right. Rose is the example of shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many thin, brown and woody stems. They are also called bushes. Most shrubs live only for a few years. Now carefully look into the picture. Which kind of a plant is this? Many of you like to eat it. These are the grapes. Do you know what kind of a plant is this? So your time starts now. That picture was of grapevine. Grapevine is an example of climber. Climbers are plants with weak stems. They cannot stand straight. They climb on other plants, sticks, or walls to grow. You must have seen money plant around you. Have you seen the money plant? Have you observed how your mother stick any kind of a sticks to support it because its stem is very weak. It needs support to stand straight. Okay? Can you identify this vegetable? This is a pumpkin. Do you know which kind of a plant is this? Your time starts now. You can write your answer in the comment box. If your answer is creeper, then you are right. Creepers have weak stems and thin branches. They grow along the ground. They usually bear big fruit. Look at these pictures carefully. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, you are right. This is a neem tree. All parts of the neem tree, leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, roots and bark have been used traditionally for the treatment of inflammation, infections, fever, skin diseases and dental disorder. The medical utility of this tree is vast in Ayurveda. Look at the picture carefully. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, you are right. This is Tulsi. Tulsi is called the queen of all herbs. It is used widely in Ayurvedic and neuropathic medicines, which helps in the healing of the human body in a natural manner. Not only do Tulsi leaves benefits people, but its flowers too. Tulsi can help you get rid of many health problems, ranging from fever to kidney stones. Ayurvedic texts have also categorized the wonder herbs as the stimulate, antipyretic, and aromatic in nature. In Hindu religion, holy basil is both a religious symbol as well as a good medical remedy. Religiously speaking, holy basil is worshipped in the morning and evenings by Hindus throughout the India, and medically speaking it is used to treat common ailment in the ancient Ayurvedic healthcare system. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, that was rubber plant. Rubber plants are inexpensive to grow. They are the low maintenance plant. Do you know the other benefits of them? They clean the air and balance the carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. It is also used in making mats, tire, gloves, rubber, balloons, and cables. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, that was turmeric. Turmeric and its powerful ingredient, curcumin, have a range of health benefits. Antioxidants have the potential to prevent heart disease, eye conditions, and Alzheimer's. Anti-inflammatory properties can help people with arthritis. Turmeric may even reduce the risk or spread of cancer. There are numerous health benefits of turmeric. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, that was aloe vera. The aloe plant is very water dense, so it is an ideal way to prevent or treat dehydration. It is also good for liver function, for constipation, and for clear skin. Nutrition boost, heartburn relief, digestive benefits, beauty hacks are other benefits of it. Do you know it is good to drink aloe vera juice every day? It is a rich source of antioxidant which help fight free radicals. This lower oxidative stress on your body and reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer. Aloe vera juice is also an excellent source of vitamin C. Can you identify what is this? Your time starts now. Yes, it was compost. Compost is decomposed organic material such as leaves, grass, clippings, and kitchen waste. It provides many essential nutrients for plant growth and therefore is often used as fertilizer. Compost also improves soil structures so that soil can easily hold the correct amount of moisture, nutrients, and air. Here I am not going to ask any question to you, but I want a promise from you. Let's take a oath that you will protect your surrounding, your environment. You will plant more and more trees because trees are our green friend. They give us so many things. Can't you give them life? So it's your responsibility to conserve them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will plant more and more tree around you to make your surrounding beautiful and to make our environment clean.